Welcome to e-learning mathematics classes. Today in this video we will learn about unitary method. Now what is the meaning of unitary method? It is one of the most important method in maths which help us to find the value associated to individual object. Okay, we can find the value of one object and then we can find the value of a group of objects. See how we can use the unitary method. Okay, unitary means one. Now let us see with the example. If the cost of 12 books is rupees 720. So what is given? Cost of 12 books are given, right? It is 720. Find the cost of one book. Find the cost of one book. So cost of one book will be how much? What we will do? We will divide, right? Because it is given about 12. It is given about many and we have to find about one. So we will divide the total amount by the number of books. 720 divided by 12. So when you will divide it, 720 divided by 12, what we will get? We'll get here 60. Okay. So cost of one book is rupees 60. Now if I ask you, find the cost of 5 books. So what you will do? To find the cost of 5 books, what we will do? We will multiply. What we will multiply? We will multiply the cost of one book and the number of books we need to buy. Cost of 5 books equals to 5 into 60. So the cost will be rupees 300. So this is unitary method, children. When we are given about many books but we have to find a different number of books, we first need to find the cost of one book. Then only we can find the cost of 5 books or 6 books or any other number. Okay, let us take one more example. A worker earns rupees 1625 in 10 days. So income, okay, income of a worker for 10 days is how much? For 10 days, when he is working for 10 days, he gets rupees 1625. Now the question is asking what is his income for 18 days. 10 days is given, you have to find for 18 days. So some students, what they do, they just multiply 10 into 1625. That will be wrong, children. To find the income for 18 days, we must know the income for one day. How much he earned in one day. Okay, so this is called unitary method. Unitary method means for one. So we must find for one in order to find for 18 or more than that. Income for one day. So for 10 days it is 1625. So for one day it will be 1625 divided by 10. So we will get 162.5. Okay, so he earns 162.50 paise in one day. Now what we have to find according to our question? Income for 18 days. Now what we will do? We will multiply 18 into the income for one day. Okay, we will multiply this. So how much we'll get here? Rupees 2925. I am not showing the multiplication here because I hope you all know the multiplication. This video is for unitary method. So let us focus on the unitary method. What is unitary method? So I hope you all understood that unitary method is finding for one, which help us to find for the more numbers. We cannot directly go from 10 to 18 or 10 to 12 or 10 to 6. We cannot go. We have to. This is a bridge. Okay, this is a bridge between these two. We have to find for one, then only we can find for 18 here. Similarly, on the previous example, we had to find for cost of one book. Then only we could find the cost of 5 books. Okay, so in this way you can solve many questions. Thank you.